Here the question is, if integral of x cube into sin raised to 4 x raised to 4 cos x raised to 4 dx is equal to a sin raised to 5 x raised to 4 plus c, then find the value of a. Here, to find the value of a, we can differentiate the proposed solution a sin 5x raised to 4 plus c with respect to x. So we need to differentiate this with respect to x and equate this integrand, and we will get the final answer. So here we need to find dy dx of a sin to the power x 5x raised to 4 plus c. Here we need to, using the chain rule, the derivative is calculated as dy dx of a sin to the power of 5x raised to 4 plus c is equal to a into 5 sin to the power 4 x to the power 4 into cos x to the power 4 into 4x cube. So this is the chain rule. So we will simplify f dash x is equal to 5 into 4, that is 20. Here a is here, so a only 1 x cube sin to the power 4 x raised to 4 into cos x to the power 4. Here we get the result of f dash x. Now we will compare this with the integrand from the original integral, that is 20 a x cube sin to the power 4 x 4 into cos x to the power 4 is equal to, what is the integral, x cube sin to the power 4 x raised to 4 into cos x to the power 4. Here we cancel this term and this term, this term and this term, and x cube and x cube. Hence we will get 20 a is equal to 1. Hence a is equal to 1 by 20. This is the final answer. That's all in this video, dear children. Please stay tuned for the next video. Thank you. Please subscribe, share and like, comment our videos. Thank you once again.